Here's a neat time saver that hopefully will become part of the regular repertoire of the Chromium-based browsers. I'm currently in my email looking at one of the emails, and I want to check out more information about this article, but I don't really want to leave my emails because there are other things in here that I want to explore. Well, there's a neat little way to get a preview of this article that's being discussed in this email. Let me show you how this works and then how you can enable your Chromium-based browser to also have that function available to you. If I click on the link, of course, it will leave my email and go to this particular article. That's not what I want to do. But I can do a right click and you'll see something here that says preview link. That's something new. If I select it, a preview pane appears of that particular article. Now, when I select that preview pane, I can now scroll with the mouse wheel and look at the article itself in a preview window. Another way to get to the preview of this, if you hold down the Alt key and then click the left mouse button while hovering on the link, again, that preview window will open. And again, you can interact in it, scroll through using the scroll wheel on your mouse or the down and up arrow on your keyboard. A great nifty little way to get a preview of an article within your emails. This also works on websites. If there's a link and you don't want to leave that particular website that you're on, use the preview. Now, let's go into how to set this up on any of your Chromium-based browsers. Currently, I'm using Brave where I've already enabled that feature. Let me change over to Chrome itself. I've now opened Chrome, again opened my emails. I'm on the same place that we were when I had Brave open. And if I do a right click on that link, I don't have that option to look at the preview of the website. So let's enable that function in Chrome and we'll continue from there. Since this is an experimental function, in order to enable it, go to Chrome Flags. Once you've opened that link in your Chrome browser, next in the search box, type preview. Soon as you type it, you'll see there's a link preview option. You want to change it from default to enable. Once that's enabled, you now need to relaunch the browser. So let's do that right now. Browser has been relaunched. Link preview is now enabled. So now let's go back to our email, this time in the Chrome browser. Scroll back down to the same place, which was the link to the Android 14 features. Do a right click, and now your preview link option is available. Select it, and the preview window opens. Again, if you select that window, you can interact through either the scroll wheel or your up and down arrow keys on your keyboard. The other way to reopen that window is simply hover your mouse over the link, select the Alt key on the keyboard, and then select the left mouse button. Again, that will open up the preview window. Neat feature, currently as an experiment. Hopefully, it will become part of the regular features available in all your Chromium-based browsers. Stay safe, stay secure. I hope that helps. And thanks for watching and listening. Bye-bye.